In this video, we are going to set up the bleeds for our business card. And for this one, we are going to use a slightly different method, or rather, we're just going to add a different approach to what we already know. Now, I want us to first eliminate all the guides that we have on our canvas here. So head over to View, and then to Guides, and then Clear Canvas Guides or Clear Guides. Now that we do not have any guides here, I want us to section out this canvas using our ruler. Now, if you notice this part of your window does not have this ruler, you can always move over to View and then Rulers. The shortcut for rulers here is Control and R. So let me just turn it off so that you can see what yours might look. If this is the first time you're using the rulers, this is how it will look. So head over to View and then Rulers. Now that we have our rulers here, I want you to left click on any of this and start dragging. Left click and drag, and you will notice you're pulling out a guideline here. I want you to place it at the top of that business card. Now you can grab another one from the same place along the ruler anywhere. Left click, hold and drag, and then bring it to the bottom here. So we've sectioned out the top and the bottom of this business card. Let us go to the left and the right. So come to this side here, left click, hold, drag and release it on that edge, and then left click again, hold, drag and release it on this edge. We have sectioned it out. At least we have the edges marked, and we can see they're all marked in red. Now what I want us to do is head over to Image and then over to our canvas size, and I want us to input this specific information. So for our measurement, change this to inches here, and I want you to add 0.25 on the width here and also on the height 0.25. Now I also need you to have this ticked. It has to be relative, and the canvas extension color should be set to background, and then press OK. Now let us just do the same thing here for the front. That was on the back. Let us go over to the front. At least we have the opportunity to repeat this twice. So View, Guides, and then clear all your guides first, and then turn on your ruler. You can turn on your ruler by coming over to View and then have the rulers option here. The shortcut is Control and R. If it is not active, turn it on. Then quickly just left click on any of these rulers, section out that edge, grab another one, left click, drop it to the bottom, and then move over to the left, left click, hold, drag it here, and then left click again and drop it here. So we've sectioned out the edges. And then what we are going to do is move over to Image and to our canvas size, and then change your dimensions here to inches and set this to 0.25. You can copy it using Control A to select all of it, Control A, and then Control C, move over to your height, Control V, and make sure that this is set to relative. Do not change anything here on the anchor. Your canvas extension color should be set to background, and then just press OK. And here we are. We have our bleeds, and it is somewhat of a simple process. Now, could you do the opposite of that? Because it seems like we are just adding something extra. Can't we just design it with that in mind? You can actually do that. You can head over to your canvas to just see what these actual dimensions are. Let's turn this to inches, and then let me just take out relative here so that we can see. So the dimensions we're working with here are 3.75 and 2.25. So this is just an addition of 3.2 plus 0.25, and this one was 2 plus 0.25. So you can actually design that and then put the bleeds. It works the same way. So let's cancel this, and remember to keep saving. Remember to keep saving, and we are now ready to start designing.